Hybrid editing made easy.
This hybrid photography vlog post is brought to you by ProShow.
Photodex.com.
Hey guys, Steven out here in Los Angeles for DiscoverMirrorless.com. I'm out on location today shooting a cool, unique e-product. It's for my friend John, who is a motorcycle enthusiast. We've been shooting all day with the Lumix G5 and a GoPro, and I think it's going to turn out really neat. I am going to be sharing it here at the end of this vlog. I got to get back to the studio, but until next time, remember, keep it simple and get out there and shoot.
Hybrid editing made easy.
This hybrid photography vlog post is brought to you by ProShow.
Photodex.